sapatos, and mga, ano ba yan? Mga sapatos. 50%. So, ayan. Saan ko pa kayo ipapasyal? So, ayan, hibiscus. One of my favorite flower. Beautiful. Pang ilang martes ka dyan, ateng? Ay, nako, ako yung number 1, kuya. Magpapahuli ba tayo? Magpapahuli ba tayo? So, ayan guys, ito yung sinasabi ko na school namin noon. So, dito, dyan kami pumapasok. And then, normally, yung klase namin dun sa taas, sa second floor. So, ayan, alam na ninyo kung saan ako nag-aral ng Valencian ng 2 years. So, normally, iniiwan ko yung mga anak ko sa school and then pumupunta ako dyan. And then, yung yung language school. Hindi kasi language, ano kasi ito municipal, ano ba tawag dito? Ano kasi dito, kumbaga free, kasi para sa mga gustong matutong mag-Valencian, so free school po ito. Ayan. Tapos nagpalista rin ako dito for Spanish. Di nila ko tinanggap. Overqualified na daw ako. Alam mo yun, 3 years na ako dito sa Spain noon. Then nag-inquire ako dito. Sabi ko gusto ko mag-aral ng Spanish. And then sabi nila, overqualified ka na kasi marunong ka naman na mag-Spanish. Kasi marami mga ano dito guys. There are lots of foreigners that they are now living here 10 years, 20 years and they don't speak Spanish yet or even Valencian. So the municipal government, they are giving free classes. So ako naman natuto akong mag-Spanish sa ano lang, watching TV and reading and speaking to people. Hello sis watching. Thank you so much sis Ann. So ayan, naka 30 minutes na tayo. Pwede na akong mag-out. Pwede na akong mag-end. Gang ilang marites kayan. Beautiful flowers. Thank you so much Ruby. So I am going to end up now guys. Ayan, maraming salamat sa support. So, tignan ko nga kung pwede akong magbasa ng top fans. Pwede ba magbasa ng top fans here? Oh yes, pwede palang magbasa. So number 1 is Sisi Anusri, number 2 is Majestic, number 3 Kuyang Tony, number 4 Sis Lori, number 5 Ruby Jams Vlog, number 6 Jasdel, number 7 Si Support, number 8 Pedro Kungka, number 8 Katcha Life KH, number 9 Katcha Life KH, number 10 Born Free, number 11 Tonic Boy KSA, number 12 Camp Ganda, number 13 Kulas sa Budulka, number 14 Erisken, number 15 Gardongkol, and number 16 Siopauka. Ayan guys. Thank you so much for your big support guys. I am going to end up now. It's already 31 minutes. So ayan. Please take care everyone. Thank you so much for your support. God bless us all. Adios. Ciao ciao. Please take care. Sisi Anusri, thank you so much for sharing the blessings. Bye-bye. Ayan, matulog na kayo guys. Tulog na yung mga hindi pa tulog. Bye-bye everyone. Bye ating, ingat sa pag-uwi. Ayan. Have a one... Oh! A moment guys. My bestie. Hello, how are you? Guys, please meet my bestie, Joe Adventures. He's from the USA. Much love and blessings always, bestie. Sorry, bestie, I didn't see your comment here. Mag-enroll din ako dito, ating Marites School yata yan. Thank you so much, my dear bestie, for dropping by. So there you go. I am going to end up now, guys. I'm glad to see you, bestie. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. So I am going to end up now, guys, and I'm going home now. Bye-bye everyone. Bye-bye busy. Sisi, good night from Anusri. Ayan. Adios kau. Kuyang Tony. Pasaway ka. Ala, apay. Kahit mga lalaki magkaukaw din kayo Kaukawan time na. Okay guys, bye-bye. Thank you so much.